In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can randomize your question in a self-paced game. And it's important to note this feature only works in self-paced games. So under your Start Game Creation, make sure you've selected self-paced. Add your content, which includes questions, your graphics, and options. Under the Options page, you'll be given the choice to randomize the order of the questions. What this will do, it will randomize each category. So for Quiz Show, you can have up to 5 categories. It will randomize the questions within each of those categories. In Moonshot and Catapult, there's only one category. It will just randomly those questions. It will do it each time. That's it. Very simple. But again, this only works in self-paced mode. Sign-in is not required for this to work. Well, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.